Memory card unboxing in 2023 sounds very weird, right? But what if I told you I have a 16 GB memory card to unbox? That's weirder now, right? Why? Yesterday, when I was cleaning my desk, I found a intact original SanDisk memory card on my closet. And I have a old Samsung Galaxy S8 active phone which has 64 GB internal memory and a memory card slot. So I have decided to why wasting this 16 GB memory card? I should try it on my Galaxy S8 active, right? But what will be the performance? You might already know a lower capacity memory card is always slower than its higher capacity counterpart. So I am going to test is this 16 GB SanDisk memory card will cause any sluggishness in my Samsung Galaxy S8 Active. Also, this will be a exclusive 16 GB SanDisk memory card unboxing. Okay, time to unbox. Yes, this is the SanDisk very old, I think 5-6 year old microSD memory card rated SDHC UHS1. It's written as 98 megabyte per second, also A1 class 10. Now I will put this memory card to my Samsung Galaxy S8 Active to see its real speed. Okay, memory card is inserted. Now I am going to file manager. Yes, a 16 GB memory card with 14.8 GB free space is detected. Now time to check this memory card. I have a application installed from Play Store named SD card test in my mobile, and I am going to check this memory card speed via this app. Okay, for read, I will read a 1024 megabyte file, and writing I will use a 512 megabyte file to test. Okay, I am going to test the read speed first. Start. Speed is 25 megabyte around, which is not bad for a 16 GB memory card. If this is a 32 or 64 GB memory card, then we can expect a higher write speed. But again, this is write speed. So 22 megabyte per second is very good. Now, what about read? The mentioned read speed is 98 megabyte and it's giving me 75 megabyte. Wow. 75 Mbps read speed. This is excellent. So even though this is only a 16 GB memory card and this memory card is 5-6 years old, but I can say that you can use this memory card without any problem in any devices. Not on high-end DSLR, of course, but in any mobile or IP camera gaming console like this kind of devices. If you have a lying SanDisk 16GB memory card in your household, then you can easily use this. I have also given the buying link of this memory card, also 32, 64, 128, 256GB microSD, in the description of this video. If you are interested on those, then please check the link. Thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.